Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm opening Yaya Garden Baby. They're so cute. I am so excited for this one. I really want the Lucky Puppy because I love puppies and it's green, it's lucky, it's so cute. And I love the Tulip Teddy over here. I guess I should get it a little closer. Tulip Teddy and Lucky Puppy. Those ones are my favorite. Oh my gosh, what's this one? Crabapple Foxy. Okay, you know what? They're all really cute. I think I'm gonna go for the puppy though because I love puppies. I have, let's see if this will tear well. There we go. It was satisfying, I'm glad. I have a couple other boxes that I not need to open, but get to open. But this is the one I was dying to open today, so I'm very excited about this one. Ooh. I'm just used to like the Skull Panda and the Sunny Angels are just so small. So when I get one of these, I'm like, it's so big. At least in my brain. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Oh, it's purple. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Look at its little eyeballs. This little bow. Oh my gosh, which one is this? Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Who are you? Not that one. Wait. Who are you? I do this every time. I'm trying to figure out who it is. Does it have a hat? It says it's the Irish sheep, but she doesn't have a hat on. Who are you? Oh, why does it look like she has a hat on the picture? On her little card, no hat. On the box, it's like she has a bonnet. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? I don't know if you're supposed to have a bonnet or not, but you don't. Hopefully that's okay, because you don't. Oh, it's adorable anyway. That's so funny, because I was trying to figure out if it was like the secret one, but that's a unicorn, and I'm like, this is not a unicorn. It's a little baby sheep. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her little feetsies, her eyes. Oh my gosh. So cute. Oh, and then the bow is like a pin, I think. I think you can move it. And then it won't be so flat on her head. There you go. So I just opened this Irish sheep baby and I was looking at the box and I was trying to figure out, because see, this is the card, this is the baby, and then I'm looking at the box and this side, there it is, the Irish sheep. She has no bonnet. Then you go to this side and she has a bonnet. It's literally a surprise edition. Wait, so there's secrets and surprises? Like, there's so much going on. There's so many options of what to get. So many possibilities. Anyway, I was confused because she doesn't have a bonnet. That's because she ain't no surprise. She's just baby sheep. I love her nonetheless.